Right out of the gate, the judge wastes no time. Miss Gonzalez is facing a terroristic threat charge against her own sister. That's not a small matter. It's a Class A misdemeanor, which could mean a year in jail or a $4,000 fine. Think about that, family drama boiling over into a courtroom case with real criminal consequences. And it all started because of an argument over being in a house and drinking some beer. This is the kind of case that makes you wonder, when do family disputes cross the line from personal drama into criminal charges? Would you call the police on your own sibling if they crossed the line? Stick around, because the judge's reaction to the alleged threat is something you don't want to miss.
Good morning, Ms. Gonzalez.
Good morning.
Ma'am, you're charged with terroristic threat of a family or a household member. That kicks it up to a Class A misdemeanor, so you were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Okay.
Judge, on March 20th, 2024 in Harris County, Texas, officers responded to a terroristic threat call. The complaining witness and the defendant are sisters, and complaining witness say the defendant is not allowed to go into a residence. The complaining witness's son mistakenly let the defendant and her husband in, and they drank the beer. The complaining witness texted the defendant about her being in the residence, and the defendant responded with threatening messages that said the defendant will slap CW and show up at, slap the complaining witness and show up at the complaining witness's job. The complaining witness stated she feared for her safety.
What the hell does that mean? It's got to be serious bodily injury, man. Or
Yes, Judge.
are we putting everybody in jail now for whatever?
Judge, that's really all I have.
Statute.
Sure.
Okay, what was it said exactly again?
Judge, the message that the defendant sent to complaining witness states, exactly, bitch, don't talk out your ass because I will go to your house and slap you in front of your family. I'll even come to your job.
That's not imminent serious bodily injury. Come on. All right, I'm gonna find no probable cause, ma'am. As the old adage says, sticks and stones, right? Words will never hurt. They actually can. You have to be careful what you say, who you say it to, because it could end you, you could end up in hot water. I'm gonna find no probable cause in this case. The idea also is that if you don't have a good relationship with someone, it's probably best not to just inject yourself repeatedly in there because you're asking for trouble,
Right.
I mean, you now know. All right, man, please, just be careful, all right?
And just like that, case dismissed. The judge makes it crystal clear. Threats over text may sound intimidating, but unless there's proof of serious bodily harm or imminent danger, words alone often aren't enough to lock someone up. He even pulls out the old saying, "Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me." A rare mix of legal reasoning and parental advice in the same breath. But notice the warning. Just because this case was dismissed doesn't mean Miss Gonzalez is off the hook forever. The judge cautions her to be careful, because the wrong words in the wrong situation could land her in real trouble next time. What do you think? Should threats over text be taken more seriously, or was the judge right to dismiss this one? Let us know in the comments. If you found this case as surprising as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Courtroom Authority for more shocking, real-life courtroom moments.